Hello everyone, it's Kit Carson, the Earl of Pizza. And as you know, I interview the rock stars, the heroes, and the gods. That's right, every night right here on Duval Street, that's what I do. And tonight I have a young lady with me that I'd like to introduce the world to. Tell everybody your name and where you're from.
Sit with Kit, everybody wants to sit with Kit. Sit with Kit, sit with Kit, everybody wants to sit with Kit. Yeah.
My name is Sarah Nolan. I'm from Ormond Beach, Florida.
Sarah what?
Sarah Nolan.
Sarah Nolan, and you're from Ormond Beach, Florida.
Yep.
What is your claim to fame? What do you do in Ormond Beach, Florida?
I work at a bar called Rockefeller's. It's a new beer and wine bar.
All right. How long has it been there?
We've been open a little over 6 months.
Woo! Yeah, you're fresh, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So it's in Ormond Beach, Florida.
Yep.
And it's a beer and wine?
Beer and wine bar, yeah.
Yeah. Do you serve food as well?
We do.
Yeah.
We have a full kitchen coming in June 27th. It should be done. We serve snacks right now. So right now we just do
Nice.
beer, wine, and some snacks.
How many employees?
3.
All right. So you're relatively small and you're very
Yes,
new.
yes.
Right on. Good for you. What made you just want to go into the bar business?
Well, I've always been in the bar business. My best friend, he kind of opened the bar. He had a knowledge of Ormond Beach is known for Rockefeller.
Okay.
I don't know if you've ever been to Ormond Beach,
I know of, but I haven't
but
been
they
in
have
years.
like the Rockefeller Gardens or
Right
Rockefeller
on.
everything.
Nice.
So he opened a bar called Rockefeller's,
All right.
which is funny because Rockefeller didn't drink alcohol, but he opened the bar
Happens.
and he asked me to help him and be
Yeah.
behind the bar ever since, and I've been best friends with him since high school.
Right on.
So we've been there, and we've been open like 6 months now.
So did you grow up there?
Yeah, in Ormond, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Your whole life, born and raised Florida girl?
Yep.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah.
So what else is your other claim to fame before you became a bar owner?
I'm not a bar owner. I
You're-
just work there.
Yeah, okay. Well,
He owns
he's
the
your
bar,
friend.
but yeah.
Yeah.
I also work at Whole Seafood.
nice.
I've just been a bartender my whole life, really.
Right.
I like to talk to people, hang out.
Yeah? So
Yeah.
is that what you do, is talk to people and hang out?
Yeah.
That's
Kind
your-
of what we're doing right now.
Kind of like, just like this, isn't
Yeah.
it? It's what I do. I do it all day and all night. I meet people like you and find out your story.
Right?
So, Ormond Beach, your whole life. Any other claims to fame that anything that people in Ormond Beach don't know about you?
Honestly, no.
You got
Ormond
a-
Beach is pretty
You
known.
do you have a rap sheet?
I don't.
Never been arrested?
I've been arrested once.
Oh yeah. Does that even count?
No, I'm 28 now. I got arrested when I was 19. It doesn't count anymore.
It's been expunged.
It does.
It no longer counts. It doesn't qualify.
It doesn't.
What was that night like? What did you do?
I don't remember.
Okay.
It was a DUI.
All right.
I don't remember any of it.
Uh-oh.
I do regret it, but
Yep.
being 19,
Yep.
it helped me grow.
Yep. Yeah, you learn.
Yeah.
Don't do that again.
No.
There's other ways. And nowadays Uber is so easy.
It is.
It's
It
on
is.
everybody's freaking phone.
It is.
And
You
you-
can get it anywhere.
Yeah. You know, and so what? It might cost you $40, but big deal.
Hey, but $40 against $20,000?
Yeah.
Take the $40.
It is like nothing compared. It's so true. So, well,
Is
good.
this your place right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Good lesson learned, Sarah. I'm glad
Yeah.
you learned that lesson.
Yeah, thank you.
So, let's go back to the bar for 1 second before your friends run you away.
I
You're a beer and wine.
Yep.
So, are you craft beer? Is that what you do? Is
Yeah,
that-
we have craft beer, we have regular beer.
Do you guys brew any of your own?
No.
Is there any local Ormond
There is
Beach?
a lot of local. We have Beach Hippie and we have the OBC, yeah. And then we also have like a Rocket Pop. So like, you know those ice creams or the popsicles that we used to eat when we were younger? We have a locally brewery in Ormond Beach that does like like the White Claws.
Yeah.
So they do like a Rocket Pop seltzer.
Okay. Wow.
And we sell those as well.
Wow. How new is that?
Like less than 2 months at least.
Really?
Oh yeah.
So like it could be a thing soon?
Yeah. Oh no, we already sell it in the store.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So is that another one of your friends?
Right here, yeah.
Yeah.
He plays music there.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right.
And
right
the
on.
owner, he is right here actually. This is the owner of Rockefeller's right here.
That's him right there.
Get out.
This is the owner right here.
Yeah.
high school best friend,
My
huh?
high school best friend.
Right
yeah.
on.
Since high school.
Right on.
She's
Well,
the best.
well, good for you, man.
Thank you
Congratulations.
so much. I got so lucky. And he's also my musician. He's the best musician in town. So we work
Right
together
on.
and have fun together.
Right.
What can you
Oh,
say?
you know what? That's kind of how
That's
I
how you
started
should.
here. You know, it's like I wanted a fun place to work with my friends, and so that's how it started.
Yeah.
You know,
You said it.
never do you realize 30 years later you're still there.
I know, right?
Think well about what you're doing and plan accordingly. So before I let you run away, I got a question that I'm going to ask you. One last final question. And this is a serious question.
Okay.
If you were a pizza, what kind of pizza would you be?
A Hawaiian.
A Hawaiian. Wow, just bam, right there. Ham and pineapple, no questions asked. Girl was on it. Well, I want to thank you for sitting down with me. I appreciate it.
Thank
Good
you for
luck.
having
Good
me.
luck at Ormond Beach. I mean, it's not an easy job running a business, and especially a bar.
Yeah.
So congratulations and good luck.
Thank
On behalf of myself, Tim, and the staff at Angelina's, thank you everyone for watching.
you.
Thank you. Bye.